para i-hate yung community namin? What if may masabi ba ako dito mali? What if hindi nila ako tanggap? Pero at the same time, yung pinaka-lesson na natutunan ko dito is just the representation alone at yun yung magmamatter sa akin na hindi ko kailangan maging calculated, kumbaga. Kasi gusto ko lang ipakita sa kanila kung ano talaga ako at kung ano yung tunay na ako, ano yung tunay na kulay ko. At yung takeaway ko naman dito siguro sa mga kasama ko sa LGBTQIA+ community is that be unapologetically you. Ganon siguro talaga. At be authentic lang kasi you don't have to, fit a mold to be enough. Kasi at the end of the day, you are still you. And what matters is your story, your truth, your existence. And no one can take that away from you, baby. Yes! Kaya, ayun. Siguro, mabuhay mga bakla. Mabuhay pa. At I'm so excited na sana may nagawa ko kahit maliit lang for the community at sana magpatuloy yung mga representation ng LGBTQIA+ community, lalo na sa Philippine media. So, yeah, thank you po.
Thank you, Asmir. Next naman is for Ralph. So, lagi mo nasasabi sa mga interviews mo na you want to focus on yourself, your individuality as an actor. So, what can we look forward to from you in the future?
Siyempre, it's gonna be a lot of work also. I'm gonna keep doing workshops, keep improving my craft. And I feel like bago ako pumasok, if ever magkaroon ng project, series man din ng movie, I really will prepare. Kasi I will not, again, like tulad ng pagpasok ulit dito sa bahay, kung sino man magtitiwala sa akin, I will make sure not to let them down. And I feel like I'll do the same with anything else I do in my life, whether it's sa work or sa relationships. And for sure, you're gonna see the best version of me when it comes to the screen.
Thank you, Ralph. And then last is for Brent. So, for Brent, you were a quiet and unwavering force inside the house, which was your strength kasi parang nasasabi mo lagi na introvert ka. But at the same time, it was also a perceived weakness from the viewers. How do you use this space after your PBB journey?
I guess I would say yung presence ko talaga dito sa Labayan has always been intentional. Yung parang if may masasabihin ako, may gagawin ako, gusto ko yung parang malaki yung magiging ambag ko sa mga kasama ko, sa mga kakarinig na sasabihin ko. And ganoon naman talaga ako ever since, even before coming in, I've always been quiet. Pero when it mattered most, that's when I become louder. And ganun, pag ako tuloy lang sa labas, I'm gonna be loud when I need to, I'm gonna be quiet when I need to.
Thank you, Paul, and congratulations sa inyong apat.
Thank you so much, Ms. Gia Bote of Wine in Manila. Okay, ngayon naman we have some questions from G. Trilliana of Malaya Business Insights. First is for Brent. Okay, Brent, anong moment sa bahay ni Kuya ang gusto mong balikan?
Moment na gusto mong balikan? Siguro yung big jump challenges. Kasi yun doon talaga nag-shift yung pananaw ko sa pagpasok sa PBB. Kasi I went in talaga just for introducing myself to the audience ng PBB. But during that time, doon ko na-prove sa sarili ko na I really wanted a title. Na gusto ko din talaga pala maging big winner kasi hindi siya biro na akala ko dati pag naging big winner, siguro sinaswerte lang yan. Or malaki yung fan support sa labas dahil siguro nagandahan sila or nagka-love team. Pero mahirap din talaga siya. Sobrang hirap mapunta sa Big Four. Sobrang hirap manatili dito sa loob ng bahay for how many months and wala kang idea kung ano ng mga binabato sa'yo sa labas. Hindi mo alam kung sirang-sira ka na pala or you're doing things na you can't really be proud of. Pero yun, siguro yun, yung big jump challenges talaga yung pinaka-tumatak sa buong sa inyo.
Parang very, would you say life-changing, personality-changing?
It was. As in, doon ko na, ever since na pumasok ko dito, punong-puno talaga ako ng self-assurance. Pero nung na-experience ko yung mga big jump challenges, parang nagka-konting doubt na ako sa sarili ko na I'm meant to stay here. Like, I was willing to give up my spot before, kinaatik lang. Pero I still felt like yung spot ko na yun, deserve ko rin naman. Pero during those times na big jump challenges ko, total na naman. Probably yung mga housemates mas magagawa ito ng maayos kumpara sa akin. But then, when we won that third challenge, nung ko na, okay, serving pan pala talaga.
Thank you so much, Brent. Kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina sa Kapamilya ex-housemates, not only do you get to know other people, other personalities, but grabe rin yung assurance sa sarili mo, getting to know yourself when you're inside the PBB house. So, we're so proud of you guys. Okay, thank you, Brent. Okay, ngayon naman for Ralph. What lesson did you learn during your journey in PBB?
The biggest lesson I learned talaga was trust in God's perfect time. Yun talaga for me. Mas napalapit talaga ako to my faith in the house kasi I can't run to anyone else with my problems or my thoughts. Who else better to go to than me? And syempre, for me also, grabe din yung naging journey ko dito. Grabe din, na-evict na ako lahat-lahat. Tapos nakabalik pa ako, tapos nakapasok pa ako ng Big Four. So all of that I feel like is because of Him also. In His timing talaga, everything will fall into place. And it's useless to worry tulad ng sinasabi natin guys, hindi na nasa loob pa kasi may plano din siya sa'yo. So when that comes, and just be patient. Just be patient, it will come. And what's meant for you is meant for you.
Thank you so much, Ralph. A great reminder for everyone, sa lahat na nanonood sa atin ngayon, you will know your purpose in time. Diba? Thank you so much, Ralph. Okay, ngayon naman, Asnir. Do you still commute? Kamusta ang changes ngayon?
Sobrang random naman ang ano. Akala ko PBB-related commute pala. Siguro, dito sa bahay, hindi. Pero paglabas ko sa outside world, na-realize ko mas lalo akong commute. Yay! Hindi. Of course po, yan na po yung naging buhay ko ever since talaga nung andito ako sa Manila. Always ako nagko-commute, always ako nag-aangkas, at hopefully ngayon, sana makabili na ako ng for transportation, pang sarili. At yes, I'm proud naman na nagko-commute ako. Commute pa rin po ba tawag nung nag-grab and I'm sorry, Grab. Yes, basta gano'n. Kaya mabuhay ang mga nagko-commute. Sana mas lalo kayo commute. Yes.
Thank you so much, Asnir. Mabuhay yung pag-commute, di ba? I love it. Okay, last but not the least for River. Okay, River, what was the first thing you did when you got out of Kuya's house?
First thing I did when I got out of Kuya's house, syempre nag-after party muna tayo, tapos medyo late na natapos. So pag-uwi ko talaga ay, syempre, I played my dogs, it was nice to be home again. But then, I had to sleep right away kasi the next day may work na kami. So, diretso yung mga work namin for the past few days. So, happy naman.
Thank you, River. Booked and busy, diba? Ang Big Four natin. Thank you so much to G. Trilliana of Malaya Business Tonight. And last couple of questions we have here from Rod Magaro. Okay, this is for all of you. Okay, how do you want to be remembered on your first movie? Box office or acting award? Ooh. Okay, who wants to go first? River, ikaw muna.
Box office or acting award? Pwede ba both?
Yes.
Why not both? Pero if I were to choose, siguro, it would be an honor to get an acting award. Yung syempre ulit naging focus namin as actors. And ako dream ko rin na sana parang araw makuha ko rin ng isang acting award. Kasi that's my dream talaga.
Okay, go Asnir.
Box office or acting award? Siguro Philippine Boxing League. Para doon ako bagay. Hindi po siguro ngayon, of course, pinaka-dream ko po yung box office. Kasi syempre, quantity, ganyan, mas maraming taong tatakilig, at wala, masabi lang pag maraming nakakapanood ng craft mo. At the rest will follow naman talaga if mapapatunayan mo yung sarili mo. Pero sobrang layo pa ng pangarap ko na yan, at sana naman talaga maka-box office ako or what. Pero ayun po, yun yung dream. That's the dream. At we'll work for that.
Okay, Asia superstar is near. Ganon! I love it.
Yes, manifesting. Manifesting.
Thank you so much, Asnir. Okay, Ralph, go.
Ako naman, my dream talaga is box office. Kasi for me, that means that the whole movie did well. That the whole project as a whole, whether it's because of the production, if it's because of the actors, actresses, the directors, the art there, everyone behind the scenes, it means that they all work together and the people love it. And doon ko talaga malalaman na okay yung ginagawa namin na as a whole, nare-recognize kami, box office talaga yun.
Overall awards. Thank you, Ral. Okay, Brent, go.
I would say pareho din, pero syempre kasi yung acting award, parang validation yun sa mga pinagkailangan namin. With regards to box office, syempre it's for the Philippines, yung mga gusto mo talaga mag-drive yung industry natin, gusto mo mag-give back sa production, sa audience natin, o bigyan sila ng magandang pelikula na tatapilikin nila. I would say box office.
Thank you so much, Brent. Grabe. Thank you so much to Ron Magaru for that question. Manifesting it for our Big Four, di ba? Acting Awards and Box Office. Thank you so much. And thank you to our friends from the media. That concludes our
Thank you
Big
so much
Four
po.
show.
Salamat
Big Four.